I've helped dozens of clients scale their Shopify operations. The secret is always the same. When you run multiple Shopify accounts from the same device, you leave identical digital fingerprints everywhere. It's like wearing the same shoes to every crime scene. They will connect the dots fast. Even expensive data center proxies are getting flagged now. Shopify has built databases of known proxy IP ranges and automatically raises red flags when they see traffic from those IPs. The technology creates entirely separate browser instances. Your cookies, local storage, index databases, cache, and even your canvas rendering are all unique per profile. You gain peace of mind knowing your digital assets are protected by enterprise-grade isolation technology. Thousands of professionals trust Multilogin already. Join them today.